Welcome to Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we have, a 57 Chevy that Tyco actually molded into a real color that Chevrolet did, turquoise. And what was chrome they painted silver, except for the bumpers and the side pipes. The chrome, this on the side is gray, was actually chrome. And that's supposed to be a Tyco license plate. I'll bring you around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah. HP7 chassis. Not too bad, 250. Not too bad for HP7. It should warm up to about 275. Here she is, number 6. Number 6. Now you can see it. And number 6. 1991 only. HP7. 6966. It's a 4. So they made a lot, but they didn't make a real lot of them. So, yeah. And, number 6, we have established turquoise. Number 3, which means it has no hood scoop with small front wheel wells and the ridges on silver areas of rear quarter panels. Yes, the real 57 Chevy had those ridges as well. And with Tyco and license plate. Alright. Yeah, this thing seems like it's running, it sounds like it's running a little rough. Rough that way. Pretty smooth this way. But this is the way it's going to, it's going to spin it that way. So, it looks like it still has factory grease on the crown gear and the pinion gear. It has a metal bearing in the front, so we do need to put a little Earl on it. Dinosaur juice, as some of you like to call it. There's my 260, yeah. Put a little bit of Novus on this body and shine it up a little more than it already is. I don't think we can shine it up too much more. Yeah, she shines real nice. I don't think we're going to hit 270. There's something wrong with it. Yeah, it's not sitting on the chassis too well. I think the molding on it is not too good. Well, it looks like the muffler's sticking out a little farther. When they melt it off the edge of the muffler, it's sticking out. That could be screwing it up. Yeah, there we go. No, the muffler ain't loose. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, they quality control checks it before they put it together, not after. And you'll get one every now and then it doesn't go together properly. Yeah, it would help if I turned it around. Yeah, okay, let me look in the magnifier. That is too nice. That side of the chassis is. Oh, I see. Okay. This little part that sticks out right there on the molding, right here. You see this, the big part that sticks out? It's the second one from the right. It has a notch in it, but there's no notch in it. It's actually full of plastic. So I'm going to clean that out and up here in the magnifier. Okay, that side there is good. Now I gotta get this side over here. Yeah, I can see what's. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause here. This is going to be a tricky thing. I'll put you on pause and I'll bring it back as soon as I am done. Yeah, there was extra plastic where the side plate was, and there was extra plastic inside the two joints where it snaps into place. So I had to get both of them out, and yeah. He runs good. Yeah, we hit 275. Yeah. Not too bad. We'll take this over to the track and take it for a test drive. Can you guys see those little? Yeah, you can see the little lines there, little ribs there inside that chrome. All right, put you on pause. I'll take you over to the track. Major malfunction. they just don't like that Tyco track. I think it moves around better than a U-turn car. God damn, dude. What the hell's going on around here? Jesus, they Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Tyco, or I should say the aluminum may affect smaller guys. What the hell is it hitting down here? Jesus fucking Christ! Well, this HP7 here does not run very well at all. Yeah. And neither does that, so. That's the end of the expedition, or whatever we call it. Yeah, exhibition, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Turquoise 57 Chevy. Yeah. Some of you haters would say that it runs like a real 57 Chevy, but you're full of shit. It does not. A real 57 Chevy runs really, really good. Yeah. Yeah. Hope you guys liked it. Got a good laugh out of it. Yeah. Hey, sometimes it happens. Sometimes you get a car that doesn't run worth a shit. It's been a while since I've had one. The last one I was able to fix. As soon as I got done with the video, I was pissed off, and I actually tore this son of a bitch all the way down and rebuilt it, put it back together, and it ran great. So, yeah, this one here, I actually squeezed the body together, and see how this side over here is in a little bit, and this side over here is sticking out. Yeah, so this side over here needs to come in, and then the chassis will stay on. Now that I cleaned it out, there was lots of plastic in the way. It's running at 260 on the dyno, just like it did before, 260 on the nose. Yeah, holding. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that show. I did not. No, I had to, yeah. Yeah. That police car runs awesome, like a police car, but it doesn't run worth shit on Tyco track. The guide pin is too long. It's got clay all over it. I took that piece of track off that was full of clay. It's clay or it's coke or it's something sticky, nasty down there that will not come out with a screwdriver. Probably Coca-Cola. I don't know. I spilled something on that piece of track a long time ago. Whatever's in there's been sitting in that piece of track for 35, 40 years. 45 years probably. Yeah, since I was 15, 16 years old. Yeah. But yeah, hope you guys like that. Appreciate you guys coming in, and yeah. All right, I will see you guys for the Tyco Friday video. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. Yeah, thank God Tyco Tuesday's over with. Yeah. And, yeah. Scott's House of HO Racing. Light some sparks and melt some plastic. Rick's Red Dirt Slots. Give these guys your support. Also Adam over at Adam Slot Cars and More. Bob at the Electric Avenue. Yes. And Kenton over at Trains and Slot Cars and Trains. Yeah, it used to be Slot Cars and HO Trains, but everybody said it was Ho Trains. But yeah, Slot Cars and Trains. Yes, that's Thursday night. Before him, you'll catch Mr. Tinker putting on a real comedic show over on his site Thursday night. And of course, me again on Friday. My show is not for kids. No, it is not. And you don't like it, don't come in. If you do like it, come in. If you don't know, come on in, check it out. And yeah, we have a good time. Appreciate you guys watching all this video. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. And yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell. Get notified. Tuesdays and Fridays if I have one out. And Friday if I'm going live. And I will catch you guys Friday. Later.